So, this is my voice. It sounds like a 6-year-old, right?
Mm-hmm.
So if you wonder who that person is, that just was laughing, is my brother. I have his main account. If you guys want me to show him, let me just get him. I just need to pause the video and let me get him. So here is my brother. This is not how he actually looks like in real life. But yeah, I tried. He kind of looks like him, but I don't know. He doesn't even have a pet turtle, right? You wanna say your voice? You wanna say hi?
Hi, everybody.
And he's older than me, cause he's my older brother.
I'm the sexier one too.
Hey, you little weirdo. But we have an older brother, silly. So
I know.
I don't know. Should I do him?
Okay.
Yeah, should I?
See you, baby.
I think I should, cause yeah. Okay, let me just make my big brother. Right now, this is not me. Where's his way? That's not me. Maybe I just do me for now. I have blonde hair and I'm Mexican, like my brother, huh? So let me just get. Well, I thought it was gonna be boring. You guys waited. So yeah, this is Emily Cord, my favorite YouTuber. Okay, let's do my hair. So I have black, brown. Like this is my hair. Like my hair's kind of like this, but my hair is kind of short, right? Not that short. I'm kind of sick right now. That's why I'm sick. This is how sometimes my hair is like that. I think that's good. Because I have brown hair. Or should I do this? Yeah, it looks cute. Now let's do my clothes. Let's see. I really wear scarves. Right, Yo-Yo? Sometimes I well, Yo-Yo is my brother's nickname. I think I should wear something else. I don't like it. I'm not a cheerleader, huh? I'm actually I think I'll just wear this. Yeah, I think I'll wear this. No, this is more like it. Yeah, that's more like it. I wear bows on usually. Because my mom tells me to wear bows and I don't like bows. It's like, Mom, I don't want to wear bows. I hate bows. I wear like these ones, so I'll wear it. I don't have one, but my brother does. in Gacha Studio. I don't have a pet. I used to have a pet fish, but it died. Yeah. Now let me do my brother. My other brother. Okay. Oh wait, sorry, the girl, ha. Yo-Yo, can you help me do his hair? Yo-Yo, how does his hair look like? Is it more like this?
I like that one.
Yeah? Okay. Oh, okay. His hair is brown, like mine. Cause he's a male. She's not a female. Look at this. It's funny. Does this look good, Yo-Yo? Like that? Does he wear this?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Should I choose the black one? Or the brown one with the green? Or the one I just showed you?
The one you just showed.
Okay. Now, he wear hats, huh?
Yes.
Like you little bro. Let's try to find him a perfect hat. He doesn't really wear hats all day. It would be funny when I put him, but he's not a girl. It's gonna be messed up. I don't see a pretty hat. I like this one like you do. Wait. Which color hat does he wear? Your black one like you, huh? Weapons. He doesn't wear weapons since he does work in he does do homework. I'll give him a pencil. I just he does pet nothing. Yeah, his name is just put his name is Eduardo. What's our fire type? Yeah, now we're gonna do all my family. I have 5 people in my family. I'm the only girl. That's I'm the only little kid that's a girl. I'm 9 years old. Right? Next year will be 10 years old. Yeah. And I had to do a little cause I'm such a kid. I'm not like a superhero. I'm not like a big kid. Now I have to do my parents. I already did my parents. I have to do my dad. And just give me my mom. So what does mom really wear, yo?
This wasn't no baby.
Like what hair does she have? I think she has straight hair, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Curly hair, that's good. Right, because you were... My brothers might not play the game, so don't let him have. Right, huh?
Yeah.
So don't let him. Oh yeah, I forgot those. I'm such a little cray. Does this look good like mom? Does this look like mom? Yeah, I guess. Since I'm doing like the best parents in the world, that's why it has damn, cause it's Prince. So I don't want to do spoilers. Now to do my dad. Yeah, just stay still. Sorry. These are actually my cousins. Oh, I'm doing male. Does he really wear that? Yeah. Try to find perfect hair. Like that hair looks great, I think. I think this more matches it. The face, he doesn't have his brown eye. I forgot to do our eyes. Clothes. Let's see, what's that? Yeah. No, he doesn't have hats. He does. Everybody in my family wears hats with me and my mom. Let's do. Okay. Let's do. I'm putting Osvaldo like my brother's name because they both have the same name. Because when my brother was little, they looked the same. That's what my parents told me. Okay.
You look the same when we were kids.
Yeah. You and Lalo looked like the same. You guys were little kids. Like so cute. And like now you guys are desperate. And I don't know what I'm saying because I don't know what desperate means. Wait, I'm not that mini. I think I'm short. I'm short. I'm almost bigger than my mom. Right? Let's do my eyes. Oh, wait, my eyes right here. I don't have purple eyes. I have brown eyes. And I have a crush. True. So that's for blush. Now, I'm going to sing. We're having everybody. Dun, 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 dun. You have to stay still, guys. Oh my gosh, sheesh. Not everybody's still. I'm still. Are you still? Yeah, you're still. You're not. Cause you have to be still, bro. You have to be still, bro. Right? I hate this when it does that. Oh, you two, don't cry, okay? Oh, why do you have a sword? I have to take that sword out of your hand. I don't want nobody to die. Okay, here we go. Why does it have really? I don't know, man. I have to go back all the way where. How much percent do I have? I'm gonna do a little chick cap. 11%. Not that much. I have 19%. I'm really sick. For reals, I'm not even playing. But I might make a beanie movie. My name was gonna be Ruby, but then let's just say how was everything going, blah blah blah. So they changed my name to and yeah, my house doesn't really look that pretty. Oh yeah. Can I stop doing that? And there we go. How do you think about that, Osvaldo?
That's cute.
Does all of that look like mom? Like mom. So my mom's name is Laura. My dad's name is Osvaldo. My name is Emily. My brother's name is Eduardo. My other brother's name is Osvaldo. And he doesn't have a picture. I might need to take that off. But yeah, that's my voice review. My voice sounds a little different, but my voice always sounds like this. I'm sick. It might sound a little different. But yeah, that's it for the video. Bye.